Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. You're welcome back to Stitch and Carry Creations. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you on how to make this hand open and close purse. Actually, a customer asked me to help her to make this kind of purse, so I decided to make a video of it and post it online for more people to also benefit from it. Now let's get started, and please don't forget to watch the video to the end. So I've already cut out the material I'll be using. So the wideness of the measurement is 11.3 inches, while the length is 15 inches. So now I'm going to be covering the edges of the opening. So the reason why I'm covering it is because I like to give my bag a very good shape. I like to shape it. So if you like, you can leave it like that, and if you like, you can curve it the way I curve mine also. Now we are moving to the sewing aspect. So now for the folding, I'll be using 6 inches. Before I start sewing the zip close to it, I'll be indicating the 6 inches line first. So this is the zip cloth I'll be using. I've already cut it out, and the measurement of the zip cloth is 11.5 inches because of the allowance. Now I'm going to be placing the zip cloth on it, right side facing each other, and sew it. Now I'm going to be taping it. I hope you can see the way I'm going to tape it. Now I'm done taping it. I'm going to separate the zip cloths and place it on the line of 6 inches and sew it, right side facing each other. So now I'm done sewing it together with the zip cloths. So I've cut out the magnet tape I'll be using. Now I'm going to be folding this into two to get the midpoint where I'm going to be placing the magnet tape to. I'll be folding the magnet tape. You know the magnet tape is two, so I've already separated it. So I'll be folding the first part, and I'll be placing it on that midpoint and sew it round with it. So now I'm going to place the second part on it. I'm going to fold it into two to get the midpoint. So now I'm done sewing it together with it, and I've already fixed my zip mouth to it. The next thing for me now is to be sewing the folding part both sides. Now I'm done sewing it. The next thing for me now is to tape it all around. So now I'm done taping it around. You can see how beautiful and how neat it was. Our Handmadepurse is almost ready. So now I'm going to be cleaning the part of where the wool has come out, the finish and the start. So that's it. So now we have come to the end of the video on how to make this Handmadepurse you are seeing on the screen. If you really enjoy watching this video and you have learned something from it, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share for other people to benefit, and also share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Bye, and see you in my next video.